Hey y'all, so I want to take you guys on a breakdown from Genesis chapter 1 verses 1 through Genesis chapter 2 verses 2. So in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth, and this shows two things. One, that God was in the beginning, and two, that God is the ultimate creator. And so the earth was created and it was complete just water, and it was super dark. And so God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And this comes to show that when God says something, it happens. And so when God created the light, God saw that the light was good. The light, it represented day, and the darkness, it represented night, and that was the first day. Then God separated the waters from the waters, and as we know from above, that's the sky, and that is the second day. Then God created land, and so when God saw the land and the seas, God saw that it was good. Then God created seeds, plants, and trees, and all in their own kind. And God saw that it was good. That was the third day. God made the great two lights, which, as we know, is the sun, moon. He also made the stars. And these represent special times, signs, days, and years. And when God made the sun, moon, and stars, God saw that it was good, and that was the fourth day. God then created creatures in the sea with their own kind, and the birds in the sky with their own kind, and God blessed them and told them to fill the skies and the seas. And so when God saw the creatures of the seas and the skies, God saw that it was good. That was the fifth day. Then God created creatures to walk on the ground, and in their own kinds. When God made these creatures, God saw that it was good. Then God made humans in his image. God created us uniquely and as his children. God blessed both male and female and told them to fill the earth. Then God called us to rule over all creatures, over the birds and over the creatures in the sea. And God gave us plants, and this was our diet at the time. But then after sin is when it all changed because it became very difficult. But then God saw all that he had made, and it was very good, and that was the sixth day. Then the seventh day came, and God was finished with all of his creation, and he blessed that day, and it's called the Sabbath. But today we find rest in him. So now I have a couple of questions. On which day did God create the sun, moon, and stars? Was it the second day, the third day, the fourth day, or the fifth? If you said day 4, then you are correct. In the beginning, God created what? If you said heavens and earth, that is correct. On the first day, God said, "Let there be what?" If you said light, then you are right. Have a blessed day or night.